Have you been wanting to learn to belly dance, but maybe feel a little intimidated by the idea of showing your midsection in a studio full of complete strangers? Well, do you even have to show your belly to learn to belly dance? My name is Sahira, and I have been teaching belly dance all over the world for the past 25 years. And in this video, I am going to answer the question that I receive all the time. Do I have to show my belly to learn to belly dance? My name is Sahira, and I'm here to teach you the beautiful art of belly dance. So, do you have to show your belly to learn to belly dance? The short answer is no. No way, yet. No, belly dance is for everybody. Everybody, at every age. What you wear is completely up to you, and there are many ways to feel comfortable, confident, and fabulous while you are learning this beautiful dance. A lot of people imagine that to belly dance, you need to bare your midriff, but that's really just one style of costuming. It is not a rule. In fact, when you're learning, it's more important that you can see and feel your movements clearly than what your outfit looks like. If you prefer not to show your belly, that is totally cool. And here are some great options. Fitted tops or tank tops so that you can see your torso and hip movements work great. Hip scarves or belts, these add sparkle and sound and they highlight your hip work beautifully. Flowy tops or dresses if you love extra fabric and the movement, or even high-waisted leggings or skirts that give you coverage but still allow freedom to move. So you can cover up as much or as little as you like. The important thing is that you feel good in your body. And here's the really powerful part. Belly dance is not about having a perfect belly or looking a certain way. It's about celebrating your body as it is right now. Some dancers love showing their stomachs because it makes them feel free and expressive. Others feel more empowered when they're covered. Both are completely valid. What matters most is how you feel while you dance. So I hope this puts your mind at ease and encourages you and helps you to step into belly dance class with confidence. If you'd like more beginner tutorials and helpful belly dance tips, be sure to like and subscribe. And now that you're armed and dangerous, put on an outfit that makes you feel amazing and join me for this next video where we can put together some beautiful belly dance movements together. I'll see you there.